As a focus on me, it's lighting good. It's everything. So you guys, those are the things. Oh my eyes, damn it. You just add your cheese. This is the finished product. That should really taste good.
But you already bought a ticket and there's no turning back now. Round and around like a horse on a carrot.
What's good, super gang? It's me back again with another banger video. Hey. Basically, I'm back with another banger video, so you guys can tell about the title and the thumbnail. Some of you guys should be like, oh my god, I didn't know Ashanti can cook. I can cook, okay? I can cook. So I decided to start this series called Cooking with Ashanti. This is episode number 1, where I'll be showing you guys chef-kissed, you know, just very, very delicious food recipes. Easy ones, no difficult 2-hour, 3-hour recipes, no. I'm gonna show you guys quick and easy, delicious food recipes. And in today's episode, as you guys saw by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing some loaded fries. This is so cringe, but anyways, we'll be doing loaded fries. So for the ingredients, wait, let me go get the ingredients. For the ingredients, you will need the following. I'll link, not link, in the description. I'm gonna list the ingredients. This tab is annoying me so much. You need number 1. So I show you guys, this is pork mince. So we're gonna be using pork mince. You can use any kind of meat. You can use beef mince, you can use chicken, you can use, you need fries. So I bought the skinny fries, American styles. You'll need fries, some kind of fries, okay? I'll be using frozen fries. If you don't have this, you can totally use potatoes and cut your fries, because you'll need milk, cheese, you'll need an onion, you'll need your seasoning. What kind of seasoning you like? I'll be using garlic, Kapana spice. I'll be using sunflower oil. And you also need salt. So you guys, those are the things that I'll be using for this recipe. Loaded fries. This is what I'll be using. You guys, I only noticed this right now. That's so annoying. I was eating kapana and I spilled it. And then now this is gonna ruin my whole video, but then it's okay. If you guys didn't notice it, yeah. First, we'll be cutting our onion. Let me get the knife. I cut zero onion. So this is how I cut my onions. You cut there. And then see? And then you throw this away. So slice the onion in. Then you cut the onion. You don't really need a lot of onion, so you don't need a lot of onion. Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. Damn it. So take your pan. My eyes. You take your pan. I'm basically gonna put it in a pan like this. Phew, my eyes, guys. Okay. So basically we're gonna caramelize the onions. So just put in a little bit, not too much now, a little bit of I think your onions always have water in your mouth and do this. And then cut, and then you will end up like me. So now we're basically just gonna caramelize the onions. Caramelize the onions. This part. Basically just cook the onions until they're like brown and caramelized. That's why they're called caramelized onions. You get what I mean? So I'm gonna speed this up and then, yeah. Looks like some people will leave it up until it's like matte, like really brown, but then I will not. I'm gonna take them out right now. This is how it should look like. See how it looks like. We will now fry our we'll now be cooking our pork mince. Separated. You want to put in a little bit of oil in here as well. Ready this. Put in some salt. Kapana spice. We're gonna put in some garlic spice. It's all done. Now you can take it off. We're just gonna put it in here. Let me taste it. So this is how the pork mince looks like. The caramelized onions. Then now we're gonna fry our fries. Okay. You know this one is kind of deep a little bit. That's why I'm using this one. So the thing is, I didn't eat all day for this because I was like, I'm gonna eat this today. Okay, I did not eat. I'm so hungry. Put in some oil. If you're a person that's into fashion, beauty, food, lifestyle, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see. If you guys like my cooking videos, this is the first cooking video that I did, that I'm doing. If you guys like my cooking videos, comment down below. Any recipe you like, you guys want to see, comment down below. I'm gonna wait for this oil to be hot and ready for the skinny fries, and then yeah. So guys, now we're gonna see if the oil is ready. If there's bubbles around the wooden spoon, then that means it's ready. Do you guys see that? It's ready. That's how you know it's ready. Yo, please tell me why. I ate this halfway already. I love fries. If you know me, I love fries and I just cannot resist it. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. This is how the fries look like. I love me some fries. That's why I did a lot of fries, okay? Now we're gonna place this away as well, but this is how the fries look like. Yummy, yummy! Okay guys, now we're gonna do the cheese fries. Milk, just a little bit of milk. I didn't grate this cheese and I'm like, why didn't I grate it? You need cheese. Peel here, so we're gonna do exactly that. Oh, I like the fact that it's like peel, that I can like peel it, because usually we fight with these things. Actually, I can just cut it in cubes. I don't know why I wanna. It's not that deep. Okay, it's not that deep. Cut it in small cubes. You also need a little bit of flour for this one. We're making cheese sauce, okay? We're making cheese sauce. This is the last part of the video. And I'm gonna eat this meat. Butter. And then you add a little bit of flour, just a little bit, and then you basically just stir it, just a little bit, not too much, okay? Then you just cook the flour. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me add a little bit of butter, just a little bit, because I don't know what happened to the other side. So difficult, you know, just to cook that, and then you add milk. I'm using this milk. Oh, this is so, actually I need a whisk. I don't know what I'm doing. I need a whisk. So please use a whisk, okay, and just like stir it, just stir, keep on stir. I don't know where the whisk is, it's probably dirty or something. Lower the heat and then you just add your cheese. And then you basically just start stirring. This is so difficult. I'm like holding the camera with one hand and then basically just start stirring until the cheese melts. I don't know where the whisk went, but you guys should use the whisk at this part. I don't know. It was just here now. I don't even know where it is and I'm like stressing so much. So guys, this is how your cheese should look like. If you want it thicker, you can definitely make it. Just put in a lot of cheese. And also, you can use cream instead of milk. I used milk because I had milk. You guys can put in cream. And guys, this is how the cheese looks like. It's all done and ready. And then now we're gonna we'll build our loaded fries. This was my tripod, you guys. I use it as a tripod. And then we're gonna add garlic powder. Don't put in a lot, okay? Salt. Just a little bit. Season the fries. So firstly, oh my god, my battery is flat. Firstly, you take the fries. My battery is flat, please don't die on me. Take the fries, you place it. I washed my hands. Because you guys are wondering, why is she using my hands? I'm the one that's eating it, remember? And then, what is it in here? And then you take the mince. Last. What can I use? What? Loaded fries. Basically, it's just fries that you load with your heart's desires, like meat, chicken noodle meat. What am I doing? You guys, I'm making a mess. So you basically plop that on there. Okay. And you basically just glorify it with cheese sauce, just like that. Drench it with the cheese sauce. And then you take your caramelized onions. And then you put them on top. Just like that. This is the finished product. This is how it looks like. Y'all see that? Guys, do y'all see that? I'm gonna tear these all up. I'm gonna tear all of these up. No jokes. Let's dig in. Let's dig into it. Take a bite. This is so good.